Right, so there we go. So, how to stream from your camera to your phone, to whichever software you want. So, this here's my setup. This is my E&G camera, by the way. My XF305 Canon. On a K tripod is a BV30L if you're wondering. And as you can see, I've modified it a little bit and I've done some reinforcement to it. So up the top, it's all on. See, as you can see here. Don't know if you can see that, but that's the one and done. Now, this is how I set my stream up to actually go live anywhere I want, as long as I've got an internet connection. So, on this bit at the back, this is how I normally stream, so I'm going to leave it like this. In all fairness, you just need two things. Well, three things. You need an app to stream from, an app to grab your camera. I'll use endoscope camera. I'll provide the thing. It's got an APK file. Just accept it, download it and let it run. It's not dodgy or anything, I'm not paid by them or anything like that. So, and you want this cable. So, this is my setup here. But if you want to, you can literally just plug this in, like this. And plug this in like so. Come here, you bastard. There we go. And there you go. So the app's free, both apps are free, and this is like what, 30 quid? So there you go. I would recommend getting a small arm rig and just hooking it in and getting a WuHoto thing for it, cradle mount phone thing, whatever you want to call it. Just to hold your phone in. So let me just shrink that. Now the way I stream is this. So that comes into here, and that comes into here. Now what I like about this is I can just, hang on a minute, can you pass? So I'll wrap this around here like this, done. So it's out the road. So here we go. This is a wee switcher, by the way, HDMI. You don't need it, but I'd recommend it. Strap to the back, and I can also strap it here. Then what you do is you just go to here, do this, do that, prism, go live, hit that, can just log into whatever you want to go into, let it go into its countdown, and then you want to go across to screencast, hit this, or hit that, go back into your thing, and there you go, you're streaming. I use this because I like to go live, gives me the option of going live from any camera, and it's just a wee bit more tidier looking, you know. You've got all your cables coming at the back, and it can't, obviously can't get snagged or anything, and I've got my earphones are wrapped around, and I can go live anywhere, doesn't matter. So there you go. How many minutes did I manage to do that into? Oh, look at that, under 2 minutes. So there you go. How to go live, and obviously wherever I point this little bastard is wherever my stream will go. Now, there are benefits to using it like this. Me, primarily, I like to have it so, you know, I can... Shit. There we go. So, I like to have it so I can just go like this. Normally I've got my light on top, but obviously I'm using light right now, so I can just go live here, you know, hit that, and I've got obviously full control, you know, dim my lights, my audio, anything like that. And there you go. You're done. Simple as that.